Hi, you are watching Dolly's English classes. Children, आज इस लेसन में हम सीखेंगे साउंड्स ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट्स, नॉट वॉवल्स. A, E, I, O, U को लीव करके छोड़ के बाकी सबकी साउंड सीखेंगे. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद P. P says B, as in bus or in bar. C says K, as in cat or in car. D says D, as in dog or in doll. F says as in fish or in frog. G says G, as in grapes or in girl. H says as in horse or in hen. J says J, as in jar or in jug. K says K, as in kite or in kettle. L says L, as in log or in lamp. N says as in man or in mama. N says as in neck or in nose. P says P, as in peacock or in pen. Q says Q, as in queen or in quail. R says R, as in rose or in rope. S says as in sun or in sand. T says T, as in tap or in tar. V says V, यहाँ से लेंगे आपने साउंड, as in van or in whiz. W says V, as in watch or in window. X says X, as in fox or in box. Y says Y, as in york or in yes. Z says Z, as in zero or in zebra. Okay, so these are all sounds of consonant. In lesson 2, we will talk about sounds of vowels A, E, I, O, U. So this was the lesson. Have you enjoyed? Bye.